Welcome friends to your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is My Love. In this episode I am going to introduce Ceylon spinach, Malabar spinach, or it is called as water leaf. In Telugu we call it as Bachalakura, Bombay Basale, and with many other names. In Kannada, nelabasale. It's a perennial plant found in Africa, America and South Asian countries. It grows from 1 to 2 feet and it's a leafy vegetable. The stem and leaves are used in cooking and it is highly nutritious which cures many ailments. Nelabasale or water leaf is rich in vitamins like A and C. It also consists of iron, calcium, other minerals. It consists of soluble fiber, beta-carotene, dietary fiber, protein and a good amount of antioxidants. Overcooking of leaves destroys important nutrients. Its stem and leaves are so soft and it cooks in less time. Nelabasale or Malabar spinach leaves contain low calories and it's a good diet for weight loss. Those who want to control their weight, nelabasale is a good solution for you. Regularly using the leaves helps in digestion and avoids constipation. Nelabasale or Malabar spinach or water leaf consists of antioxidants and it protects the body from free radicals which are produced during the process of digestion and due to environmental factors. It consists of rich amount of oxalic acid and it should be avoided when anyone suffering from kidney related problems and arthritis. Water leaf or Malabar spinach grows very fast and very well during monsoon season. You can harvest it after 6 to 8 weeks of planting. It grows very easily in any condition of soil and weather. Nelabasale is a very good protein and vitamin supplement. In many of the cuisines in coastal Karnataka we use it, and in many parts of India we use it as nelabasale palya, then nelabasale soppu tambuli, nelabasale sambar, and with many other dishes. So this is the information I want to present today. Thank you for watching this channel. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.